Vic Rodriguez, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.'s first and short-lived executive secretary, comes guns a-blazing during the Rodrigo Duterte 2025 Slate Proclamation rally on Thursday, February 13.
Sinasalaula tayo ng administrasyon ni Bongbong Marcos. Labanan natin ang mga mambubudol!
His campaign speech lasted over 16 minutes, where he blasted the Marcos administration over a wide range of issues, from alleged anomalies in the 2025 budget to corruption through dole-out programs.
Saan ka nakakita nagpapasa ng 6.352 trillion pesos panay blanco ang Bicameral Conference Committee report?
Rodriguez also defends the Dutertes, claiming it was impossible for over 215 legislators to find the time to read and properly understand the impeachment charges against Vice President Sara Duterte. The former Marcos spokesperson also takes a swipe at the qualifications of other candidates and their slate endorsers.
May diploma ho ako at nakapagtapos ako ng kolehiyo. Meron akong certificate na nagpapatunay na ako ay isang ganap na abogado.
According to the latest January 2025 Pulse Asia survey, Rodriguez ranks 25 to 29, very far from the winning circle.